How scary and how much fear really gripped individuals yesterday? Enough to where you start to make some type of a saucer bottom, or do we have further to go in terms of complacency and shaking it out?
Well, Joe, I don't think there was a ton of fear yesterday. What's really interesting to me is that it was a big sell-off, don't get me wrong, but it was very orderly. And in fact, what was interesting to me is we saw some of our traders come in at the end of the day to start buying some of the index-based ETFs. And you and I had this conversation a couple of months ago, how there isn't any great individual stories. So people are looking for something to invest in. And there's been things like QQQ and SPY. So what was interesting to me is that at the end of the day, I think many people thought, hey, this is maybe a little bit overdone. I'm not saying they're necessarily going to invest in those longer term, but I think a lot of people sort of bought those for a shorter term bounce. And it was interesting to see those oil orders sort of come in the last 15 minutes or so of the trading day.
How was volume yesterday, and what do we want? Do we want not a lot of volume, or do we want just lots of volume to signify that someone finally threw in the towel?
Well, as a broker term, of course, you're always hoping for some volume. But that said, in terms of what the market needs overall, I don't think we're in a place yet for a sort of washout. Yes, for a washout, 100%. You need this big volume day or two where people have absolutely thrown in the towel and given up. I actually don't think we're there, Joe. I think we're more in range-bound trade, if you will. If you look where we are, we're back to levels we traded at on September 7th. So, it's not. Yes, we gave up a lot of ground yesterday, and you hate to see these big down moves in one day. It's the old market edge. I guess the market goes up the stairs and goes down out the window, and that yesterday was certainly down out the window. And so, with all that said, it's still somewhat of a range-bound trade. We just have so much harder to work to get to the upside. Because as you look around, you're like, all right, what's that one story or two stories that are making me want to buy equities right now? And I don't think we're necessarily seeing anything that really makes clients want to hop on and say, I have to own this stock or this index or whatever it may be. And so because of that, it wouldn't surprise me to see us continue to bounce back and forth, at least through the next Fed meeting and into earnings, because the earnings season is going to be very, very interesting. And the one thing that I'm most interested in as we head there, and I know it's a little bit away yet, is how is this strong dollar affecting companies? We haven't heard a ton about that. I got to think that theme is going to start coming back up.